My name is Emerson Bales. I'm going to eat a cricket, a silkworm, and a grasshopper.
Okay.
Go for it.
I don't like it.
Oh, let's look at him real quick.
I don't like it.
Put it on.
Don't eat anymore.
That's what you're gonna eat, huh?
Yeah.
You tried it. That's good enough. Do it. It's just it tastes like a nut.
Put it in and eat it.
Tastes like a pistachio. Crunch on it. Swallow it quick.
Swallow it.
Nice job.
What does it taste
Pistache.
like?
That's good. You want more salt on it?
Here, come on. Tell us what it tastes like.
All right, tell it. No,
Tell me what it tastes like. Tell me what it tastes like.
Not good.
Not good. Do you think other 5-year-olds should try that?
No.
Are you going to eat a grasshopper head now?
No.
You're going to eat a cricket now?
No.
Are you done eating bugs?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is Emerson Bales signing off.
Emerson Bales.